What's up, folks? This is Crypto with James, talking to you today about IOTA. Now, IOTA's been on a tear in the last 7 days, so I really want to get into what's happening with it. I've spoken about IOTA in the past. In fact, it's on the spreadsheet that I always update. It was one of the first coins I spoke about on the channel. So I'll get right into that. Before I do, as always, the spreadsheet's updated. These are the first 26 coins I spoke about on the channel that I thought would crush it in the bull cycle. If you'd invested $100 into each one when I released the videos, you're still holding that bag, you'd be sitting on $48,327. Adding your $2,600 investment, you're sitting on $50,900. Phantoms at the top. That was a Udemy course I did where I said it'd be the best investment of the year. Currently up 240x, so that is pretty good. I've held every single one of these at one point or another, closed positions in profit on all of them, or damn near all of them, grin sucked, and then reinvested that into a brand new portfolio. If you want to see exactly the portfolio I hold, check out Copy My Crypto. This is where I share my live portfolio along with what I think is set to happen in the markets, and I've built a portfolio that's designed to make maximum gains and has some insanely good opportunities with some of the tokens that I hold. So if you want to be a part of that, then click the link in the description, guys. Right, IOTA. IOTA it started the week at $1.01. Actually peaked out this morning at $2.05. $2.06. So it's actually been up 105% this week, but currently it's up about 80%. There's a lot I like about IOTA. There always has been. Firstly, it's a DAG network. Now, DAG networks are finally seeming to get like a bit of a run going. You know, Phantom is one. IOTA is another. DAG networks benefit from literally the fact that the more people that use the network, the faster that they work. So one thing that's coming with IOTA at the moment, I mean, there's been a few articles out, mostly talking about price analysis. There was like $1 billion that went into IOTA a couple of days ago as the price kept surging upwards. And IOTA has been one of the biggest gainers in the last week. And yeah, they were talking about over $1 billion actually flocked in when it was up about 25%. But the interesting thing that's coming with IOTA is you've got IOTA 2.0, which has been live on a testnet for months, but IOTA smart contracts has been in development for 2 years with a beta version around the corner. What's exciting about this is it's Ethereum virtual machine compatible, has native tokenizations, and is fully sharded and interoperable. Now, those three things alone are such an attractive proposition for a crypto. Ethereum virtual machine is necessary because, frankly, if you want to run anything to do with DeFi, you can use the EVM for that. Native tokenization is obviously vital, along with fully sharded. Sharding is clearly what most blockchains are starting to move towards, or many blockchains are moving towards. It's faster, it's more scalable, and it's cheaper. And it's interoperable. And interoperability is a huge driving force. I mean, look at Polkadot. Look at Polkadot. Polkadot is all about interoperability. And that could bring some huge price movement for IOTA. So right now, decentralized identifiers, smart contracts, and integrations will be at the foundation of Firefly, which will become an IOTA app store. So IOTA is going to have their own app store, which is quite exciting. And yeah, in terms of the fact that 2.0 is fearless. Now that is, again, a really important thing, especially in terms of price gaining. So as a like a simple example, when Ethereum and Bitcoin's networks are congested, people look for alternative cryptos to move money around. close all your Ethereum into, say, Dash. Move all your Dash from one place to another, then trade it back into Ethereum. But that's what a lot of people do. So IOTA could be one of those that's utilized for it more and more and more. And when that happens, that does tend to bring a good price movement for the coin. So at the moment, the upgrades are going really well. The updates are going well. And IOTA 2.0 and smart contracts should be up and running in the near future. Which is going to obviously do a lot for the price. So Republic World talked about, is it a good investment? Yes, it is simply put. IOTA gained its popularity among crypto investors due to its unique use cases that incorporate blockchain, and another is the Internet of Things. So IOTA is key in terms of interoperability with the Internet of Things devices, and it can handle close to 1,000 transactions per second. So it's very speedy. In terms of price, they're sort of predicting $3 up to $5 by 2023. I think that'll happen this year. In fact, I think if in the original video I did, like last year, I said IOTA will probably be a $5 coin. The coin could continue the rally and meet its previous all-time high of $5 in the next few years. I genuinely think, like I said, there's enough momentum behind it right now that it could run that. You're looking at about 150-ish x, little more than that, to get 150%. Sorry, so like 1.5x, really, or a little more, to get up to $5, which wouldn't give it a staggeringly high market cap. Also, their circulating supply, the max supply is out. So, there's not going to be a huge drop of tokens all of a sudden, which bodes well. On top of that, you got to bear in mind the biggest thing about IOTA, beyond the DAG network, beyond it being exceptionally fast, very cheap, or feeless rather, is the fact that they are starting to have two things. They've got huge partnerships. So they've got stuff like Volkswagen, and the fact that they are so interoperable and they work so well with Internet of Things devices. Now, IOTA's goal is to become the de facto platform for executing transactions between IoT devices. There should be, in 3 years' time, about 20.4 billion devices out there. So if IoT is the de facto platform for that, sky could be the limit. I'm saying 5 this year, or this bull cycle, but it could be well beyond that. And realistically, when we're looking 3 years down the line, which will be probably the next bull cycle, or thereabouts, if IoT has become the de facto platform, then we could be looking well into the double digits, maybe higher, maybe triple digits, maybe, if it is the de facto platform. Big ask, but very interesting. Very interesting. I'm a big fan of IOTA. And I do believe that if their smart contract platform launches well, I think they'll pick up huge momentum. Ideally, they do need to launch that within the next month and a half, I would think. If they do launch that within the next month and a half, then we could see the prices rally like mad before the end of the year. Because this, like I said, this bull cycle maybe has 4 months, 5 months max before I think it would probably end. And to be honest, I think 5 months is a push that would put us into February. That seems long. So probably 4 months at a max. So if they can launch, if they can, and they launch the smart contract platform in the next 6 weeks, could run like mad. But yeah, IOTA is like my second favorite DAG network. Phantom obviously first. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, if you're brand new to crypto, or if you've not, or if you've been in a while but you're not sure what the hell to hold, check out my portfolio. You can copy my crypto. I've built a portfolio designed to make maximum gains, provides insane opportunities, not just in terms of growth, in terms of value of portfolio, but in terms of growth, in terms of short and medium term opportunities. If you want to be a part of it, click the link in the description and take a look. Okay? Take care, guys. Bye-bye.